Next to me is Mr. Corey Valia, who needs no introduction. Good evening, Mr. Valia. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you, dear.
So, what do you think of this event tonight?
Well, personally, I'm a big fan of Raja Ravi Verma. The car is sleek, and between the classic painting style of Raja Ravi Verma and the sleek modernity of the car, I've had to arrive at a look that kind of, for the girls, yes, for the girls, which bridges the gap between, the two things, between the high-tech car and the classically fabulous paintings, the beautiful saris. The saris, of course, are the focal point um, for me to work out of because, but I've tried to give elements of everything. On the eyes, I've used a bit of a silver that's an inspiration from the color of the car. With their hairstyles, I've tried to do parts of the hair is classical and part of it is modern. And with the makeup again, I've tried to keep it very classical, and then a high-tech touch. I've added some colored glitter. Yeah, to go with, basically to pick up on the tones of the jewelry and the jewelry
Blend of
the
both.
sarees. So it's very much rather than between east and west, between then and now. I've tried to arrive at a synthesis.
So, tell me, how did you get started as a makeup artist?
Oh my God. I was a makeup artist before I was a makeup artist because
Okay, you need to elaborate on that.
always loved doing makeup and it was my hobby. And even as an amateur, I have gone backstage for my friend Sharmila Khanna, who's choreographed today's show. We are friends for many years. Besides, uh, yeah, we are even related distantly, but that's everyone in India is related. But yeah, so I used to just go backstage, and they used to have a lot of fashion shows in discotheques. And I used to just go backstage sometimes and just carry some of my makeup and, for
Do a stint for them.
Rukhsana Todiwala, Sharmila, all the models then, Anna Bredmeyer, for all of them, go and do their makeup. And that was like my hobby. And then one day I got fed up of the family business of selling liquor, so I decided that I'm going to change my profession and I got into this. But what prompted me to get into this was that friends told me, they said, you have a talent, why don't you make a commercial use of it? So I think I made my entry at the right time. There was a space for me. And I had in between, while on holiday, just done 2 short courses in makeup. So that's the basic formal
That was a
training.
bit of formal training.
Yeah, that's the bit. Mostly I've learned on the job. Mostly I've learned by making mistakes.
I think
and going
everybody does
wrong.
that.
Yeah, and it's something where today my hobby I've turned into something that's my profession. It pays my bills, and simultaneously it keeps me creatively fulfilled. It keeps me happy, and I love my work. I really love my work.
That's very important. Why don't you tell me what are the basic things in a makeup kit, in your makeup kit to be precise?
Well, in my makeup kit, actually, my makeup kit is huge. It's very big, and this is just one part of it. Then there are several other bits that are already packed up. But there is a whole lot of stuff that is extra. But I think what's very basic to makeup and that all women should have at all times in their handbags, one is a compact, a mascara,
I think all the pretty women over there can listen to you.
or a lip balm, a lip pencil, and a kajal pencil. With these 5 things, you can get an instantly glamorous look.
How about a lip gloss? I think that's the in
Lip
thing.
gloss, I said. Lip gloss or a lip balm. But, if you have your lip pencil and a lip balm, then it's as good as having a lip gloss. But lip gloss, of course. Um, and I think with these essentials, you can instantly glamorize yourself. You can change your day look into a night look. There's a lot that you can do with just these basics. So I find mascara to be the most important component in makeup. And Indian women, despite the fact that they have the most beautiful eyes in the world, beautiful lashes, they still tend to not use mascara. Mostly it's because they don't know how to remove it. So they get frightened of it.
Why don't you tell some viewers how to go about doing that?
Well, removing mascara, use the same direction that you use to put it on. You remove it the same way. So you remove it the same way. You have a cotton with some little baby oil or Vaseline on it. These are the 2 best ways to remove stubborn mascara. Don't hold your lashes and rub them. They'll come off. It's better to just keep, wipe it upwards, yes, and blink onto the cotton. And that will save you a hell of a lot of heartache and bother. And mascara is really important. The eyelash curler and the mascara.
Is very
Yes.
important.
Because without the eyelash curler, some people who have long but straight lashes, their eyes
But
look.
a lot of women don't know how to use the eyelash curler. I think that's very
I
important.
would love to educate everybody on how to use the eyelash curler because it makes a lot of difference. It makes.
So, Larry, what is your look for this season? What would you emphasize on?
Okay, this season pink is still very hot, but I'm emphasizing more on. I'm in India. My context is Indian designers, Indian fashion shows, Indian models. I like to work with eyes.
That's
So,
one of the most interesting feature in anybody's face.
well, I'm called the eye specialist,
I've heard about that.
but I would like to work with eyes, and I also like to work with. I like shading. I like sculpting a face or bringing out the natural sculpture of a face. That's what I like to do, using light and shade to bring it out. We're working with hair. There's so many beautiful hair products. So we're working with hair and trying to bring about the most natural glamour that's possible without it looking too set. Most natural glamour. Of course, I've got some very structured looks here, very very structured, but some of them are quite free form. So I've deliberately created that contrast in the looks
To give that kind of a look.
to bring about the fact that somewhere there's a great formality to Raja Ravi Verma's paintings. The Camry has very classical lines.
So you've merged everything together and given one kind of
It
look.
has to. It has to.
blend of
It's been very tough because at one stage I was kind of losing it, but I think we've got it quite well.
So tell me another thing that what do you think makeup is, for the people who are coming up in this field? Can they look onto it as a career option?
Well, yes. It's definitely a career option. It has been at the moment. There's a little downturn in the industry. There's a little the entertainment and fashion industry is going through a little economic low. So is advertising. Now these are the three areas where we
Require
film and entertainment, advertising, and fashion, and all three are going through a little financial slump. So for that, it's a bit of a regret. So it's a bit down, but otherwise, yes. And I'm happy to say I'm one of the pioneers in opening up the industry to young people, teaching my craft to people and bringing them like into the fold of makeup artists. I think that there's room for everybody, and I'd like to expand my teaching abilities
art.
to other cities and towns, Indore, Bhopal, Hyderabad,
cities where it's not very well known.
where they could do with a dose of common sense yet glamorous makeup. And that's what I believe I specialize in. My makeup is it's a mixture of common sense and glamour.
So
So
tell me what's
basically
your
common sense for it to survive the climate, and makeup is about glamour. I believe makeup is about glamour.
tell me what's your favorite cosmetic product?
Kajal.
I think it just livens up your eyes and everything. It just brightens it up and really.
Not right now, I haven't, but I do, and I can. It looks good.
So can you just say something to our viewers out there? A few makeup tips, the basic.
For your viewers, I'd say one, take care of your skin, drink lots of water, and remember the mascara. Mascara, kajal, lip gloss. These are your friends.
Thank you, Mr. Wali. It was a pleasure having you on our show.
Corey.